Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Sugar Land. With growing neighborhoods, valuable properties, and busy lifestyles, your entry door plays a critical role in protecting what matters most: your family, your belongings, and your peace of mind. If your current door is outdated, worn, or poorly secured, replacing it can significantly improve your home's security while also delivering additional benefits you might not expect. Here's how entry door replacement makes a real difference for Sugar Land homeowners. Stronger materials mean better protection. Older entry doors are often made from wood or lightweight materials that can weaken over time due to heat, humidity, and regular use. Cracks, warping, or soft spots make it easier for intruders to force entry. Modern replacement entry doors are built with security in mind. Options such as steel and fiberglass doors offer superior strength and durability. These materials resist impact, won't warp in the Texas heat, and are far more difficult to break through. A solid, reinforced door immediately creates a stronger barrier between your home and the outside world. Advanced locking systems. One of the biggest security upgrades that comes with a new entry door is the locking system. Many older doors rely on basic locks that are easier to pick or force open. Entry door replacement allows you to install modern, high-security locking mechanisms designed to resist tampering. Today's entry doors can support multi-point locking systems, reinforced deadbolts, and smart lock compatibility. These features secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making forced entry far more difficult. For Sugar Land homeowners, this added layer of protection brings confidence whether you're home or away. Reinforced frames and hinges. Security isn't just about the door itself, it's also about what holds it in place. Weak door frames and exposed hinges can be a major vulnerability. During an entry door replacement, the frame is often upgraded as well, using reinforced materials that prevent the door from being kicked in. New doors also come with heavy-duty hinges, often designed to be tamper-resistant. Together, the door, frame, and hardware work as a complete security system, closing common entry points intruders look for. Improved visibility and control. Modern entry doors can be customized with security-enhancing features that give you better control over who enters your home. Options like impact-resistant glass, side lights with reinforced glazing, or built-in peepholes allow you to see visitors clearly without compromising safety. For families in Sugar Land, this is especially valuable. Whether you're receiving packages, welcoming guests, or keeping an eye on deliveries, improved visibility helps you make safer decisions at your front door. Better fit, better security. Over time, doors can shift or settle, creating gaps that weaken security. Even small gaps can make it easier to pry a door open or bypass the lock. Professional entry door replacement ensures a precise fit, eliminating these vulnerabilities. A properly installed door seals tightly within the frame, making it much harder to force open. As a bonus, this improved fit also enhances energy efficiency, helping keep your home comfortable year-round. Peace of mind that lasts beyond the physical upgrades. Entry door replacement offers something just as important: peace of mind. Knowing your home has a strong, secure, and modern entry door allows you to relax, whether you're sleeping at night or traveling out of town. For Sugar Land homeowners, investing in a new entry door isn't just about appearance, it's a smart step toward better home security, long-term durability, and everyday confidence. Ready to feel more secure at home? If your entry door is showing signs of age or no longer makes you feel safe, replacement can be a powerful upgrade. With stronger materials, advanced locks, and professional installation, a new entry door transforms your home's security from the moment it's installed.